Hi, it's Adriana from the future. Now, I just want to warn you guys, just get ready for the coziest, the most aesthetic, autumn-themed Depop mystery bundle that I have ever received. Hello friends and welcome back. I am bringing you guys yet another Depop mystery bundle video, but this one I am very excited for because it is another themed bundle, and this theme is Autumncore. So I am the world's worst talker, explainer of things, so if you want to know what Autumncore is, basically just go on Pinterest and look up Autumncore. It's basically like the whole aesthetic of autumn, cozy sweaters and clothes, and just all the cozy things about autumn. Okay, I did not want to leave you guys hanging, so I'm gonna at least show you guys examples of what Autumncore for me entails. Basically, cozy sweaters and autumn colors like mustard yellow, pumpkin orange, rusty red, and just cozy clothing like cardigans, corduroy, and soft textures. That's basically the kind of vibe that I was getting at. Anyway, so before I get started, I will plug in all my social media. So if you're new, I have an Instagram if you want to follow me, and I do have an art Instagram, and also check out my Depop because I will be posting clothes soon. So I stumbled upon this themed bundle on Depop, and I saw this seller was selling Autumncore themed bundles. I was intrigued for sure. So this bundle was listed for $65. I did get a discount. She gave me 10% off, so it costed me $58.50, and then I had to pay shipping. So total, this bundle costed me $68. Yeah, it took about a couple weeks, so it really wasn't too bad, and she was really sweet. She was messaging me the whole time, making sure that everything was okay in regards to shipping and stuff like that. So I was really comfortable with this experience already, and I'm gonna include our conversation as always up on the screen. Alright, so I am ready for some cozy clothes. Let's open this box now. Alright, here is the box. It has cute little stickers on it. I don't want to show you guys because it has my address, but she put cute little stickers on the label, which I think is a nice little touch. Yeah. Where are my freaking scissors? Gosh. I'm sorry if I'm weird in this video. I don't know. I've been weirdly tired this whole week. I think I just haven't been getting enough sleep or comfortable sleep. I don't know what it is, but I'm sorry if I am low energy. Oh! Ooh, alright. I gotta show you guys this. Holy. Okay, let me show you guys what this looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at all the autumn colors, and I see corduroy, I see cozy knits. I did it again. Oh my god, I keep freaking hitting myself in the face. Ooh, okay, I am ready to dive into this. Oh, wow. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I see corduroy, so I'm gonna reach for that because I love corduroy. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh, it's a cute little corduroy side bag. And this will go with my outfit. Look at that. And the brand is Aeropostale, so it's a little Aeropostale bag. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh my gosh, it's like a little surprise. First off, I have this pair of leaf earrings that she included in there. I love these. Very Autumncore, and I'm loving it. Oh, I love that. And she also included some tea, which is perfect timing because I actually just started getting back into drinking tea. I used to be really weird with tea because I would only drink it when I'd be sick, and there was a time where I was sick for a really long time, and I got so sick of hot tea, but I'm starting to ease back into tea, so this is perfect. Thank you so much. And this is vanilla chai black tea, which sounds delicious. And then she did include some little stickers. I am digging this cozy little vibe that we got already. Let's pick out the next item. So here's the next item, and look at that, it's wrapped with twine. Again, very cozy. All right, so let's see. Oh, it's this cute little like mini cardigan. That is adorable, but look, it has little ruffles on the bottom. I adore the color too so much. This is perfect for this time of year. Also the little buttons, little bejeweled buttons, I enjoy that as well. Small cardigans are so in, and they've been in style for a long time. I just started getting into the trend myself, and the brand is Joseph A. Okay, so here's what the cardigan looks like. I love the fit of it. It's really flattering on me and it makes me feel really cute. So for my look, I kind of went for like a Y2K inspired look. I imagined this cardigan with some black bottoms, like either a black mini skirt or a midi skirt like I did here. I thrifted this midi skirt, and then I also put on my Jadens because I love the way Jadens look. And then I wanted to show you guys the look with this little bag. And then I also put on the leaf earrings that she included. Yeah, I just love the little details of this ruffle on the cardigan. So let's pick out the next piece. All right, next we've got this piece right here, and you guys see the leaves. Okay, this is the cutest sweatshirt I've ever seen. Like, look at the freaking leaves and the little rhinestones, little jewels on it. That is adorable. How did she even find this stuff? She must have worked really hard finding all this cute stuff. Like, wow. Alright, so here is that cozy leaf sweater. So I wanted to show you guys first like what the length looks like, you know, the size, how it fits. And then I'll show you guys like how I would actually style this. So what I would do is just kind of roll it up and make it more fitted. So I have these corduroy pants, and they kind of have like a wide leg, and then have my platform boots. I know I always get weirdly emotional with these kinds of things, but like, you guys know when you're going through just like periods of low self-esteem and just like you're not liking yourself, you don't like your body, and then like when you have that moment where you put on something and you're just like 100% like, I feel cute, like I look cute, I feel cute. When I put on this cozy little sweater, like it's so freaking cute, and like I feel cute, I feel comfortable, I'm feeling 100% myself in my element. Another awesome item that I truly love. So, whew, yeah. Alrighty, there's so much stuff in here. I'm just like, okay, next item here. We've got this lovely deep red color, which is another fall color that I adore. Ooh, nice little simple top, and the brand is New York Academy, and we've got this just long sleeve ribbed knit top, and I love this tie up detailing. Another great winter item that I could layer with and also look cute. Like I could probably wear this on a date or something in the future, or you know, a little dinner or something. This would look really cute. Okay guys, so here is that lace up, tie up, little knitted long sleeve top. It's a really cute, simple top, and as I mentioned, I imagine myself wearing this kind of nicer top to like a date or, you know, a dinner. So this is the kind of outfit I would probably wear. Honestly, I am just too lazy right now, but normally I would wear tights because, you know, it's colder now, so I definitely wouldn't just be walking with bare legs. Yeah, I'm lazy, so I'm sorry. So I have this thrifted vintage plaid skirt, and then I would probably wear some boots. I have my Jadens, and to really stick with the Autumncore theme, I have this black beret. Okay, so moving on to our next item. So I'm gonna pick up this. Okay. Ooh, corduroy skirt. It has buttons on the side, a beautiful brown color, zips up in the back, and the brand is Banana Republic, and it's a size 4, so perfect. It should fit me nicely. This will look so cute even with like my turtlenecks, just a nice simple fall look. I love this, and I love the corduroy. Just everything corduroy just makes my heart so happy. Alright y'all, so here's my outfit that I chose for this corduroy skirt. I kind of went for like a 70s inspired look. I thought this color skirt would go great with the turtleneck that I was wearing, so I put this look together. This turtleneck is thrifted. It's this really nice like deep mustard color, and I feel like just together these colors just go together really nicely. I decided to go for some knee-high socks, and I don't want to bore y'all with wearing my Jadens for every outfit, so I decided to go with my Skechers shoes. I wear these a lot with like any fall themed outfit. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been wearing the leaf earrings with every single outfit because I am like so in love with them. I am pleasantly surprised with the fit of this skirt. Just from looking at it, I wasn't sure if it was going to be a little bit more low rise or maybe too high-waisted or how it was going to fit, but I am really happy with the fit. It's comfortable. The length is not too short where I'm like embarrassed. Okay, so this is the last clothing item. Oh, it says layer under the red sweater. Knit short sleeve top, but look at this cute, shoot, what the heck do you call this? But you guys see how it has this cute little detail on the collar, and it also has it on the sleeves as well. You see this little cutout, like cute little lacy. Brand is Blair. Got me this piece so I could layer with stuff because of the cute little collar. Like, what a nice little thing that she included. I love to layer, especially having the little collar peek out, like, oh. Alright, so here is that white collared shirt, and in her notes she suggested to layer with the red long sleeve, and at first I'm like, I don't know how that's gonna work, but is this not like academia vibes right here? Like, and then I just kept on the skirt from the last outfit. This is the cutest little outfit. I love the layering. I love this, loving this outfit, loving this vibe. I could pretty much layer it with everything that she gave me in this bundle, so just super duper cute, and I adore very much. Okay, so there is a pair of shoes in here, which I'm like, wow, I can't believe I did not expect to have a pair of shoes, but she included some. So she included these little heels. They're like vintage style, I guess, heels. They have a little buckle and they're black. These are so cute, like almost kind of like loafer dress shoes, except with a cute little heel. The brand is Natural Soul, and they have this like cushion inside, so they're probably gonna be really comfortable. So that is so awesome. Thank you so much. Let me show you guys the other little goodies that she included. So she also included this little notebook, this little journal, and look at, she put those stickers on here, giving me academia vibes, you know? Oh, look what she did. She put my name in here. She put my name all decorated and this little lace. That is really, really sweet of her. So she also included this little print, and it's this like vintage floral print, and look, it says November on here. The print says it's from 1979. That is super cool. When I get my own place, I will be hanging this up on my wall. I love this. Okay, let me just show you guys the bottom of the box just so you guys can see like how neatly she packaged and personalized this. So look, the bottom of the box, even she like lined with this leaf paper, like so much care into this. So I appreciate that so much, and she must have spent a lot of time on this. Okay guys, so she did include a letter, and it's so adorable. Like, it's bordered with these houses, which is so cute, and also just very neatly typed. Alright you guys, so that brings us to the conclusion. So all of that for what I paid, like, that is amazing. A really awesome bundle, and I can just tell that she spent a lot of time on this and a lot of care. I got so many goodies and extra things that I didn't expect. I really hope that she knows that all her hard work is very much appreciated. Really exceeded my expectations. Let me tell you guys about the seller. So her Depop is Forest Odd. Her name's Audrey. Of course, I'll leave all the details down below, But Audrey, thank you so much for this bundle. Again, I'm just incredibly grateful for this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more bundle content, thrifting, fashion content. I would really appreciate it. Take care, stay positive, and always be creative. See you next time. Bye.